Hey, mind for pupil. Coronavirus. How do they work? And what is changes in our body? This thing is not all. As you all must have come to know, that coronavirus vaccine has become, and many countries started distribute it. So today I am talking about coronavirus vaccines. So let's begin. New it before start the talk. How many vaccines made before today? It has taken many years to them. Because before today we are used to be made in normal procedure. It normal procedure take many years. What this coronavirus scene is very different because we have not faced like this. When did you faced like this? We did not have this technology. But now we have very advanced technology. Because it's vaccine we are injecting living person. So which scientists are working on it vaccine? They are not skip any step. What this time all step have done in parallel stage. If first step is running as well as next step is running, have made vaccine in before 1 year. What its all stage start from research. It's very important. I mean what is used in vaccine and how much. All of this is revealed in research. Its step is very important. How do vaccines work? Look up. It's more of vaccines. It all is dead virus or very weak virus that's happen to be alive, but it can't multiply itself in our body. And this vaccine is prepared by mixing virus in with different things. The same things work out even inside our body. It has happens outside, like any person come at your home. You don't know about him. After that you ask him that why he come. Until you know about him, he must hijack your home. Similarly, virus also attack our body. When virus come in the body, so like as our army fight enemy who come from outside, like our immune system fight with virus which does not good our body. What our immune system knows about virus as long as virus become multiply. After that when virus takes a dangerous form, so our immune system does not work. Now we understanding how do vaccines work. When vaccine inject our body, so our immune system ready to fight with virus, because the virus content part of some virus which is very big or dead virus that ready our immune system to fight with virus. When virus attack on our body, so just our immune system makes a antibodies for fight with virus. Thanks for watching this video and support me.